on top is of the essence. Come and give me blessings. Let them rain down on me. We got no time to waste. Come get a taste. Fulfill all my fantasies.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my skincare routine. So this is my nighttime skincare routine. Get on ready with me. It's going to be really realistic. Like, I'm not going to try and fancy anything up. I'm just going to step by step go through what I actually genuinely do and not just do because the cameras are on. Amazing. So firstly, I'm just gonna put on my headband just to protect my frontal. The lighting looks a bit orange. I'm just hoping that it changes. Like, it does its own thing, this camera. I look wild. I use micellar water to remove my makeup. I literally stand by this stuff. I use cotton pads to take it off, so this together. I'm also gonna do it half and half just because I'm gonna try and do an Insta tutorial within this and I need a half and half for my thumbnail clickbait. So I've done half and half. Guys, rate my foundation match. Anyway, enough. I'm gonna remove the other side of my face now that I've done that. The micellar water never gets 100% of the product. I'm gonna go and wash my face, so you guys can come with me to my bathroom. Hi guys, so we are in the bathroom. It is time to wash my face. I can just already hear the comments and everyone's about to be mortified, but to wash my face I actually use a bar soap. It is an organic one, if that makes anyone out there feel better. I will have the name on the screen or in the description box because I can't remember it off head right now. In case you guys hear, I'm gonna have to get down. Okay, cool. But this is lovely and warm. I just get the soap like so. I just rub it into my face. Sorry, I just rub it into my face now. And you can see there's so much makeup on my face because it's turning brown. Oh, I should have tied my hair up for this. So yeah, because you see it's turning brown, you know that there's like lots of makeup on it still. And then this nice and damp, and you just wanna wipe it off and you'll see the makeup in that. Most times I do this twice, so I'll probably do it once more just to make sure all the makeup's gone. So now we can go back to my filming station because we are done in here. Okay, so you guys just watch me wash my face with bar soap, which is like a big, in the whole like skincare beauty world, you don't do those things. Just to give you guys like a background on my skin and my skin type. If you guys have watched any form of skincare from me before, you've heard this all before, but I have very good genes, I guess, when it comes to skin. I don't get spots, and if I do, they're not much of a problem. They won't last for that long. Like, my whole life my skin's been good. Even through my teenage years, through puberty, I didn't experience acne, spots, teenage spots, none of that. Like, my skin's always been good. I could have been fake and pulled out one of my fancy Clinique face washes and said, this is what I use. If it works for you and you're not getting any bad reactions to it, I don't see why not. I know I'm gonna get some skincare police preaching to me, but honestly, my skin, she's good. We're good. Anyway, next is to like moisturize my face. I would do a face mask now if I could be bothered, but I literally cannot be bothered. I would use a toner or an exfoliator if I could be bothered. Not gonna lie, I don't do that very often. I usually only use the exfoliator if I feel like my skin's just been a bit boggy. I should probably exfoliate a lot more often than I do. My mindset when I moisturize my face is like how I moisturize my hair, my natural hair. I wet it first and then put in a moisture. So I think when you wet your hair first, it's like ready to absorb in the oils. So I like to go in with a facial spray. I have recently been using the Clinique Moisture Surge Spray. Literally spritz that all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with some serums. If I'm honest, I just grab random ones from my skincare. I have a lot of Revolution skincare just because I'm on their PR list, so I get sent a lot of skincare from them, which I love. All of their skincare I absolutely love. For my under eye, I use the Targeted Under Eye Serum with caffeine in it. I just do a little, I probably shouldn't put that directly on my face, but I will. And then I just do it under my eye and on my eyelid as well. Then I'm gonna go in with two more serums. This is the Rose and Chamomile serum. Then I'm gonna mix that in with the Revolution Blemish and Pore Refining serum as well. So this is the pink one. And I'm not even gonna do it separately. I'm just gonna go straight in with the other one as well. And then pretty self-explanatory, but I just put that all over my face. Next on my face, I like to use a moisturizer cream. So this one is by Wish Trends, and just apply it on my face. And lastly, like how I would do with my hair, to like lock in the moisture on my face, I use an oil, Revolution one. I'm sorry if you guys are bored. So this is the Night Restore oil with primrose oil. I don't use that much of this because it's this oil I don't like to use too much because it spreads very quickly. Don't I look glowy? Lastly, I just take a little bit of petroleum jelly for my lips, which people on the gram tell me, am I not in focus? People on the gram tell me to start using literally every day. And I know, like my mom always tells me that I shouldn't, but it just does what I need doing. I don't know what is going on for my lighting, but that is me ready for bed. I'm gonna go sleep. It's literally 3 in the morning. I need to tidy my room because there's makeup everywhere from filming all day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little get on ready with me / my skincare routine for the nighttime. If you want a morning skincare routine, let me know. I can do one more in detail, even though it is pretty much the same other than the removing of my makeup bit, and I won't use the face oil at the end. I'd use a primer instead. Thank you again for watching. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You know, time is of the essence. Come and give me blessings. Let them rain down on me. We got no time to waste. Come get a taste. Fulfill all my fantasies.